I don't know what this is.
That's the point.
It's hard. Why?
Open up your hands.
Wow. This is so love normal.
Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Maltina Nourishment Tour, Professor M's lab series, where we learn about nourishment using fun science experiment with items you have at home. I'm Professor M, and these are my lab partners. We have
Vicky
and
Josh. Today's experiment, the blacksmith.
Josh. What materials do we have?
Food coloring, water, cornstarch, and a bowl.
3 things, and what they become is going to confuse you. Let's go!
Whoa, Maltina!
So the first thing you're going to do is pick up your cornstarch and pour it in the bowl. Let's go. Empty everything into the bowl. Next, you pour in about half of the water first. Pick up your food coloring. You can put in as much as you want. Okay. And the fun bit is you will use your hand to mix in the water with the flour. Let's go.
I don't know what this is.
That's the point.
It's hard. Why?
Open up your hands.
Wow. This is so love normal.
You are absolutely right. It's a non-Newtonic fluid, just a fancy word that simply means a substance that can decide if it wants to be hard or if it wants to be soft. If you apply pressure, it's solid. If you relax it, it's liquid. It actually responds to how you treat it.
Your body does that too?
Yeah, your body does that as well. If you nourish it right, it shows up for you strong and sharp, filled with energy. That's why Maltina is fortified with vitamin A for your eyes, vitamin B to unlock energy, and vitamin C to boost your immune system. Also has calcium for your bones.
Science is fun when you try it yourself. You learn, you explore, while sharing happy moments with everyone. Try this experiment at home. Tag Maltina because we would love to see your experiments.